disturb me.
Children, you get super you go. I beg give us 2.
2.
Yeah, take now.
I'm gonna thank you. It is even block, say.
Hey, now you do okay. Pay now.
Pay as well. You don't pay me now. You don't have to pay now. You don't drag me here now. You don't pay now.
Wait. So you watch me pay?
Oh, so that you want to pay that card? You know I'm a gentleman. I can never watch a lady pay.
So what will you do?
That's why I will look away. If I look, make I die.
Where you go, Jimmy? You don't pay ice cream when you
If I look, make I die.
Hello my people, on a day to the sub. It's your boy OBIKING and I'm back again with another episode of what I do best, comedy reaction. So guys, thanks for always sticking around. I really appreciate you guys. Now I've got you guys another fantastic video here. Another fantastic compilation. These one are the best you've ever seen. You get. So just make sure to watch to the very end and subscribe. You feel me? So don't play guys. Let's go have some fun.
3 minutes left. And who taught you all these things you are writing?
Jesus.
Are you a student of this class? So why are your answers not related to my questions? Continue.
Answers are not related to the question.
I regret having you as a student. 1 minute left.
You can't anything.
Time up.
You don't feel already now, so don't need. You don't feel already now, so don't need.
Grazie. Welcome.
Why is that boy? Why are you doing opening my gate?
I don't know. Maybe it's just like sleeping. It's probably busy. Sorry, ma.
Inside sleeping. After everything, inside sleeping. This boy is very quick. Give my file. Get out of here.
Sorry, ma.
Sorry for yourself. I will teach this boy a lesson. He thinks I'm joking. Hello, Miss Amma. What's the meaning of this rubbish? Why are you lying down here doing nothing? You are so useless to me.
You know I have malaria now.
You have malaria and so? I was horny. The driver had to open the gate. What is your use in this house?
I've cleaned the whole house.
Yeah. Oh, this one you're lying down. Hope there is food for me to eat.
Yes, the soup yesterday I made is in the fridge.
The soup yesterday you made, I should eat yesterday's food. What did I tell you? I want to eat fresh food every day once I'm back from work. And you're telling me to eat yesterday's food. You are very silly.
Please don't take my phones away.
2 days, you're not going to get this phone. 2 days.
Please, my love, please.
Bring that file to the room. Very useless and foolish boys. I should eat yesterday's food. You must be sick. You must be sick in the head.
You must feed you. She will feed you with so many problems too. I'm sorry, my love. I'll go and make a new soup. I'll go to the market now. I'll go to Leo.
Whatever you do, don't let woman feed you. You will cry.
Calm down, eh? Yeah. How are you? Eyes walk. Wow.
Governor Amuneke.
Let me, can I see it? Nice. Nice, eh? Okay.
God have mercy upon us.
Just want to know what it feels like. It's a nice key. Yeah,
Let's see the edit.
I'm
Let's
just
see the
checking
edit.
around to know how you people are doing. How's the work?
Thank God.
Nice, eh? Yeah.
The same thing. Oh yeah, put that for pocket. The same thing. You can't be like saying I ain't the give them.
Hello.
Governor, the flow you talk.
Thunder fire that your governor. Thunder will fire that your stupid governor. You say this is your governor? Thunder will fire all of you and your kindred. Yes, I said it. You think I don't know you? You think I don't know you?
Why in the verse is my government that bad? Governor, I don't go like your government bad. If you say this to defend you, just go here and go defend you for what this guy did.
This guy rubbish talk with that. Are you stupid? What, are you not the SA? Are you not supposed to defend me in any condition? Eh? Go back to him to tell everybody that I'm doing well.
Governor say make I tell you say they do well.
If I punch your face, If I punch your face,
you punch me.
And so? Maybe you they collect punch for the leaders I pay them. I'm paying you. And if you do any nonsense, I'm going to sack you.
I don't enter internet. Every governor, all of them they do rubbish. Now only governor Amuneke and they work. I don't post.
Take it to state governor. This is for you.
Everybody come and see. Come and see what this governor is doing on social media. Come and see.
Let's see the edit.
Come. Let's say come.
Let's see the edit.
Governor Amuneke on today's charity outreach has distributed 16 power tricycle to the people of Amuneke community. This empowerment program is targeted at lifting men from poverty. Mr. Micha, one of the men who received this gift, expresses gratitude. He is a democratic leader, the man who is passionate at seeing his people survive. The last man who received the tricycle was so emotional that he declared in the name of God that it shall be well with the governor. As he vigorously prayed for the governor, he pulled out his phone for a selfie, but the governor was already in a haste. Vote Governor Amuneke for a second tenure.
Oh God, voila.
Okay. So why don't you tell me more about yourself? I want to get to know you better.
Actually, my name is Mr. Life, and my close friends call me Olu Papa. I'm a premium content creator in Nigeria here, and besides that, I'm into real estate, and I also do crypto. You know what they say now, don't put all your eggs in one basket. So a little bit of here, a little bit of there. That's how I gather my money.
Yeah.
So how about you? Tell me about yourself.
Well, my name is Favourite, as you should know. I'm a professional hairstylist, and I import clothes from abroad down to Nigeria. Talking about that, I don't know if I can ask you for like a small favor.
Favor, asking me for a favor. Okay, what was it?
Actually, it's a financial favor.
Yeah?
My goods are hanging from abroad down to Nigeria. I need to restock.
Voice on.
I know so you don't increase your volume. They swipe up and down, they shake your phone, they think they don't spoil. Nothing to your phone. Now me remove the volume. Because once conversation don't enter billing, I know the reality they get they talk.
Now me, you want you to escape poverty, Abi? You want me to escape poverty? Not go wrong. You won't
I'm what to do my ear.
Babe. Is that not my clothes? When did you start washing my clothes now?
Starting from today.
What's going on here?
Wait for this one, I beg. Wait now. Jerebico, I beg. This one be not dead the thing now. This one I will drop since now. No do. I talk am now. When did you start washing my clothes? I started today. Today I forget money inside trouser. You are a thief. Go wash all that. This one not dead the thing, yeah?
Who the shop? Madam, give me bread and drink. Madam, you want to make a friend for you? Give me drink and bread now.
Sorry. Imana, you take no verse, I beg. I've been to do something inside, yeah? No verse, I beg.
Hello? Who be this? Home service. Drop your address and they come. For where? Okay, and they come. Give me like 2 minutes. No. I'm coming. Madam, and they come back.
Imagine they go now.
And they come, just give me like 2 minutes. I go come pay your money back.
You sure say they'll come back?
Yes, and they come now.
What's it long?
Okay, man, don't borrow over.
What's the happen now?
But like I go on for this man salute, I won't go babam for my head. But like even telling me say I know sabi babam for head. I enter this man salute. Say they know say this man babam for me, man.
Why you're not supposed to do like that now? How many months don't they learn how to the bab?
Only 1 month and some should head at the baba.
Carry and go where they go.
Thank you very much. Che, let me beg him.
Carry this barrack, you go know how to bab. You can Siam. No one sabi bab. Now small children, see what you go back, army. They go take you to the station. You explain yourself. You know how they take.
Are you the baba?
Me, I'm not a baba. I'm a mechanic. Like this, no, not to you. I'm a mechanic.
You must be a very funny comedian. I know how you guys behave. Don't worry. I don't know why I always leave my door open.
Don't dare my friends.
I didn't even lock this door when I was coming from the barrack.
You go faint, though. You go faint. But he go tell you.
Young man, just make yourself comfortable, okay? I'll be right back.
Comfortable for where?
Okay, go claim send me,
The man of the house now.
I'm home service as a Baba now.
You go flying for ayo, zoom.
Which one will now want?
One see.
Now you relax my
What do you want buy now? One of the near me.
Bring your voice down. Just allow my plan. Let me get this. Madam, you know, say your customer. Like people bros like 1.5. I think our landlord be after us. 1.5. We will pay you back tomorrow evening. We will not pay you back. Collect him back. No, you collect the cap. We will put the cap together. I give you.
I know they like borrow person money.
Madam, we don't just come here now. Factory with the plaster.
Madam, no be we.
Don't be like that. I go give una, but I don't want wahala.
You know go yawa. We be troublesome person.
Madam, we are chilled. We are chilled persons.
Okay,
Man, if you make 2,000, I bet.
I don't want wahala.
Your own no go loss.
Now money, this money I want use and go market, go buy cigar before.
I'm begging my guy 1 road to my sabe.
Customer, we are not go now. What it makes is 1 month when I come borrow money from my hand. I never seen a whole 2,000 naira.
You relax. Relax.
Tell you 2,000. Now they talk to like this.
That's the whole world.
When I come borrow this money, nobody hear my voice. So now they raise voice for me for my money again.
For 2,000, they shout for us.
Hey
God, this one, time.
We the boss.
I don't understand. What you concern me concern your boss?
Utobo, see, if nobody can get it for women, this woman is supposed to find out the contract for 2,000. No, they pay. How much 2,000? I
do something for Nadrick. One and not say no.
I go come down to the airport. I say this man no know me.
You not even know me.
No. For 2,000. See, this woman forget say forget say I disguise myself, bro. You know what I be now? For 2,000.
This is our ginger. Don't make her come on.
Go ginger and that's what you forget the money.
How about I don't shop like this before. Jesus, I don't lose my voice.
It gets back. If I want to go, I shop.
We go change factory.
I will go headquarters today.
Nobody go.
Those two African moms.
Already. How are you? I'm fine.
No worry now, me and my babe don't go. Won't go shop life like this. Yes now, money day now. Hold on, make I call you back. Babe, what's the problem?
Baby, I'm tired. Oh, that right, let's go. I'm tired of trekking.
Order right to where? Babe, don't do this though. Don't start. You said I should take you out on a date. You did not say that I will have to order right now.
Bruh. We should walk to our date. Baby, order right now.
Only money. The money I have with me is only the money to buy the food when we reach there now. It's not Lekki is not far now.
And when I was still use like
I'm still in Naija.
We will pass Coastal Road. It's not far. That they just did the road.
Coastal
and even on the
Road.
road, you'll be seeing beach safe that you can even just stay and chill. We will pass there. It's not
I'm
far.
not passing any coastal road. Other right, baby, so we can go. Me, I'm
It's only
tired.
20k that's in my hand, though.
How?
It's only 20k.
You know,
Hello,
it's
sister. Not mind that guy, oh.
You have car. You have car. Don't. Smile.
I can see you have to go out. Beautiful girl. Eh? Let me take you out now. Let me go and spoil you. Spoil your rib. Spoil everything about you.
But can you see I'm
We are in business. We are in business now.
Oh, you know what? Don't you like shawarma?
Ebi defend you are here, mofo.
Is your brother okay?
I'm not fine. My sister is. Auntie Emma alone now. Go.
I said just stay with this one.
Fine girl. You fine. Eh?
I beg, Jai.
What's your name?
I hope you know what you did today was very, very bad. Can't you see I was with my
Boss, sorry, I don't know vex. Her name is Rachel. Yes, her name is Rachel. She's very good, but she's talking now.
But this guy no get.
She said you buy her turkey. And she even have one brother self like that have interview tomorrow. He's going for interview. So the boy did not have transport. So you can like just give her like 30 to 40k to give that boy as transport minus the money you want to give to her normally. Then she didn't have food that she will eat this night. That one is even major. So apart from that food that she will eat this night, the brother that is going for interview tomorrow, he does not have white shirt, and they say that she wear white shirt and come for that interview. So if you have white shirt, you can just give it to her to give it to the brother. Then black shoe as well, because the guy in black shoe have spoiled.
What is wrong with you?
Oh yeah, sorry, just collect only the turkey. Let me just go. Only the turkey, please don't forget to turkey. Turkey, don't forget, you go pay me. Oh.
This guy Momo.
Agkaay, my love. I'm gonna come in 1 million. You know, say some people yab me say I know if you keep mine, but then they never see their own man for 2 months now.
Shut up,
Shut up. I beg you. They don't be relate.
I don't blame you.
Hello, my name is Taomaa. You bought the bull now for like 2 weeks.
What have I done myself?
My own husband.
Yes.
Make you go.
So now first your husband, that one they carry said.
Oh, Tony. Femi, you be no one. Oh, you be sílẹ̀ pẹ̀lú ọmọ méjì àti bẹ́tà.
That one go too happy now.
You be no one. Ayé àti ta ló ní ìwọ kí ló wà ṣe lẹ́yìn sí mi. Mi ò ní bẹ́ẹ̀ ìwọ ayé àti ta sẹ́ ìwọ àgbà ẹ̀ lójú. Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? Kí ló sọ̀rọ̀ ìwọ náà sọ̀rọ̀? Olójú bí bọ́. Wọ́n wá fẹ́ ti jọ náà. All your face don feel finish. Fẹ́mi this thing.
Run o.
Ayé nǹkan tí ọ̀gá yìí. Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ náà ń fẹ́ mi?
Calm down. They are gone. You have been safe. Calm down.
What have I done myself?
What God cannot do, it exists. Worship me. Hey! Arabanko!
I feel happy, I feel grateful, and I feel fulfilled.
Hey, Taomaa! Taomaa, wake up from that grave. Jesus. Taomaa, you don't wake up from that grave. If I not wake up now, if I see better for do this your grave. Taomaa, how you go dey owe me? Come die. You don't want to talk about? Taomaa, how you go dey owe person? Come get mind, die.
What are you saying?
Taomaa, you come my shop. You say you need indomie and egg. Taomaa, give you 2 indomie and 2 egg. Okay. You pay me. My money come remain 250 naira. The next day, I hear say you don't die. Taomaa, that's all you dey do. For provision store where my husband just open for me. Make I use dey sustain myself. Taomaa, you want run am down? Say you even die, no dey pay me. But you just die. Taomaa, they don't even cook rice. They don't even cook rice. So. There's what the people they do. You see today, you must pay me my 250 naira.
So, madam, because of ordinary 250 naira, that is why you are disturbing me. Are you happy that I am dead?
You Anything concern me concern say you die. Better way they not even cook rice. Have you give my money?
Madam, I don't have any 250 naira to give to you. Let the dead rest.
Rest 20. If the rest only they owe me 250 naira. Have you give my money? Give my money, Joe. Oga, you must pay that money or you are not going back to this nonsense grave. You they owe me. You get mine go so wide. That's what you they do.
I go disappear, madam.
I disappear now.
Make I disappear.
Try and make I was nonsense. Have you give my money, Joe?
This is disrespect to me there, though. I beg. When I leave the there,
why you no come class today? You miss.
Omo, I go find on you.
Me and my
this
team
point
members.
school has come to me.
They
Can
play.
you collect certificate?
Never see
you
any.
write attendance, sir.
Wait till go make me write attendance for you. Okay,
No boy, when me never write attendance.
I write attendance for you.
I know I go catch you now. You know that. Yeah, I know I go catch you.
Yeah, sorry, sorry,
You go say make I send one money give
I
you.
send for you now. Yeah, I send for you.
I know say you cannot fall my hand. Oh, I don't sales man for you.
Which husband? Where
I don't
is
sales man. Senior man, how far now? My friend like you.
Hey, no, don't mind him, don't mind him.
A fine boy, you fine, sexy boy.
You sense the bill of Obasanjo.
Your mouth's no good. Why you go talk that kind of thing?
Oh, God, you don't see it.
You guys know resemble Obasanjo.
What do you call
Resemble
it?
like Mohammed. I don't know. I'm going home from here like this. So, I don't know. Probably I should escort you to your house.
I'm not going home yet now.
Where you want Conde?
I'm craving though.
So, what should I now do about that? Because I don't understand. Every time I'm with you, that's when you like craving.
Oh, no, we're always together now. You know my man, Chi, my bro.
You want to enter me? See this girl, look. You go back and see the crave now.
No, I bet follow me now. I'm craving for ice cream.
They go now, they go.
You know, you cannot go and buy ice cream. Sometimes they always rethink this friendship I get with because
let's go.
If you say we couple go, you just stress me.
Leave the matter for matter. Where we dey go? Like say you no go chow, you no go lick am.
Yeah, nah.
You lick abi.
No,
where we dey move?
Just like disturb me.
Children, you get super you go. I beg give us 2.
2.
Yeah, take now.
I'm gonna thank you. It is not even block, say.
Hey, now you do okay. Pay now.
Yeah, so you don't pay me now. You don't have to pay now. You don't drive me here now. You don't pay now.
Wait. So you watch me pay?
Oh, so you want to play that card? You know I'm a gentleman. I can never watch a lady pay.
So what will you do?
That's why I will look away. If I look, make I die.
Wait, you go pay ice cream when you
If I look, make I die.
I go catch you, no worry. Waka.
You're mad.
But the only one I go pay for.
She don't even get money. She dey crave for ice cream. So who lose now? Now she lose now. Because the boy don't carry ice cream for months. Which kind of nonsense human beings with this one? Now you dey crave for something. You know if you go buy it, you say me escort you. You know tell you say you want to. I didn't tell you say you get money. You reach there, you carry. You say you dey expect me you pay. And I really move for this place, so I swear that. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. I believe you enjoyed yourself. What's your favorite part of the video? Let's write in the comment section. Make sure you subscribe because I believe you enjoyed it. Subscribe, my people, and check out my other videos. There's so many of them, guys. So see you in the next one, guys. Peace and love.